Right, so we're just taking a look at the markets, the current markets. We have seen a huge drop in the Bitcoin price, actually quite a serious drop. It dropped down 26%. Now that's a serious drop. Yeah, let's see, it's just unshared my screen. Make it full screen. So while we're busy discussing, waiting for the screen to fill, we've noticed that the Bitcoin price has gone up unreasonably high. In other words, you cannot keep on going up and up and up and up, like pushing so high. So at some or other time, it's where we call it when the bubble bursts. And at that point, you're going to look at Bitcoin and say, this is not what I want to buy now because it's so high. You want to sell high, not buy high. So that's why 95% of traders lose money in the markets, because they want to buy when everybody's buying. And when it's overbought, then the clever traders start selling, the 5% start selling, and then the 95% start panicking and selling. There's a lot of concepts that traders, even while I'm busy, presenting this to you, a lot of traders are thinking, but Bitcoin is so important, but Bitcoin this and Bitcoin that. Yes, the same people that believe in other coins like XRP, the same thing. They will hodl it at all costs. Whatever your strategy is your strategy. You don't have this strategy that everyone else has. You have the strategy that works for you, that you need to maybe make money on a weekly or a monthly basis. You will base your strategy on that. So what we're doing with this Tradeathlon is we're going to go and find the coins that are low in price. And we are going to see what is their value. Now, I'm showing you one that's if I look at this on a different, let's see if let's go to Bittrex. Now we're gonna spend time on 3 different platforms during the Tradeathlon. We're gonna go on to Binance, Altcoin Trader, and Bittrex at the same time, because some of the coins that we're looking at trading are on all 3 platforms. So that's exciting. There are some that are on all 3 platforms, so we can trade them together. Now here's a typical example of buying something very low, because that's why traders miss out on so many good trades, because they're only watching the very big coins. So let's take this. Okay, that's a 1-day graph. Let's get it on a 1-week graph. So this coin dropped all the way to 1 Satoshi. In other words, its value was 100 millionth of a Bitcoin early this year. Now it's 13 parts of 100 million of a Bitcoin. So when we trade any of these coins, we have a look at the volume. Obviously, the volume counts. The volume there on Bittrex is 6.6 Bitcoins. If we look at it on this platform, there's 888,000, almost close on 1 million USDC. So that's also a US dollar trading to BitTorrent platform. So we're going to be trading the kind of coins that give profits this time of the year. Now, if we take a lot of coins during, we go rewind back to, like, let's take Blackcoin, for instance. This is just an example of what possibly could happen. We can see there February, March, And then 2017 from March, we're sitting in April now. We haven't even seen that kind of movement yet. So it went all the way from there to there in May and June. So, I mean, that high there is only 20,000 parts of 100 millionth of what the Bitcoin price is. So you can see how high it was and how low it is. So would you rather buy something at the bottom or would you buy something at the top? I think you want to buy something at the bottom rather than the top. So what we will be doing is we'll be using Altcoin Trader as one of our trading platforms, because Altcoin Trader, we are making a lot of money on these cheaper coins. Our guys have been making between 30% per week to possibly 300% per month. Now, for a South African, I had a lady start with 30,000 Rand, and she showed me a portfolio the other day, and it was almost 90,000 Rand. So, and she has not learned to trade properly yet. She's not got all the skills, but she kept doing her housekeeping. And if you've not done one of the courses yet, then obviously the word housekeeping wouldn't make too much sense. And we'll probably be having an Altcoin Trader course, not this coming week, but the week thereafter. So what we're going to do is this coming week from Monday to Thursday. So let me just, I think it's going to be easier for me just to use a whiteboard. Yeah. I'm going to use a text box and type, because something happened with my Microsoft account that I can't type anything. So Monday, we have a morning session. Tuesday, so all of the days we have morning and afternoon sessions or evening sessions. And those sessions are going to be recorded in case you miss out any of the sessions. So the mornings will be from 9, let me put it here, 9 to 11 a.m. That doesn't mean that we only starting at 9 and finishing at 11. It means that between 9 and 11, I will be live. The rest of the time, we will be having several alarms on the markets. In other words, you'll be able to see my screen even before 9 and after 11, up until 3 in the afternoon. So it will be possibly from around 8:30 to 3 p.m. live. Then same thing with Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. What we will also be doing is at 9, we actually thought of moving the trading from 9 to 11 p.m. So 9 to 11 in the morning, 9 to 11 at night, all of those days, mornings at night, and then I'm going to give a bonus session for those who attend the full event on Friday morning also. So the price will be, if you say you want to attend mornings only, it will be $9.97. Evenings only, $9.97. And if you're going to want to attend morning and evening, $17.97. So what will apply to the evening sessions also is that the evening sessions will also be live. Evenings live from 8 to midnight. In other words, I'm going to be placing, I've identified 10 coins on Bittrex, 20 coins on Binance, and 10 coins on Bittrex. And anytime an alarm goes off for any of these, then I will be told that this coin has gone up or has gone down. So I have a TradingView account, and my TradingView account is busy showing me different coins at different times, when they go up, when they go down, and when we need to look at the different coins at different times. Now, the exciting part of this is every time a coin moves that we trade, we're making money. So you say, okay, but what if it drops down? I said, that is what you want. You want to take advantage of buying the coin cheaper, because it never just goes up and never just goes down. It goes up and down. But when we are expecting bull markets in, I call this penny stock season. Other traders call it altcoin season. Altcoin season means just any of the altcoins. So we might still see Ethereum go up 3 times its value by the end of this year. And Bitcoin also go up maybe 3 times its value. But here's coins here in front of us that might go up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 times their value. And it will be for a season. It's a seasonal thing. It might then come down, crashing down. You want to get out when that happens. You want to take profits. We never want to ever get attached to any coin. We never want to fall in love with any coin. Let me just go back to my new screen share, because you folks can still see the whiteboard. So we're going to be trading different coins with alarms going off at any different times. So like, for instance, Dogecoin, we can see there's potential, but we want to know, we want to be able to make money, not if it just goes high, but if it goes down also. And we want to be trading in the close range area. And once we've bought, we also want to sell high. We saw one of the coins this morning, PTT. Let's see which. Okay. Yeah, let's see if, yeah, there's a bit the Bittrex. In fact, I'm going to show you on altcoin trader. This looks a lot better. You can see there, boom. It goes from, it almost went double its value. Look at that. Price range from 1047. Sorry, that was the other day. That was the other day. But that's, it went 729% and it came right down again. And people didn't even take advantages. If you are trading on altcoin trader and you got a bit, if you got a balance here, then it's because you haven't been trading right. And that's why we guide you through this process when you trade, that you have enough orders in place and not be lazy not to place orders. All right, folks, I'm just get back to the screen with the whiteboard on. Is there any questions on this information that I've shared with you? I want to keep it short and sweet, and then, you know, we want to maximize our time in front of the markets while there's, I mean, this is such an exciting market, the trading markets. You don't need to do leverage trading here, futures, nothing. This is just spot trading, one-on-one trading without any high risk. If the price drops a little bit, we buy more. If it goes up a little bit, we make profits, and we keep on taking profits. So you can, let me just see. Let's just say chat, yeah. You can see there's a little box that's flickering there. You can chat in the box and say hi, or I'm happy, or I'm joining, or ask a question. I'm recording this, so I will share it on the groups later for you guys to come back and view it, or share with your friends that are traders. I'm not offering this to people that are in not traders yet. I would definitely have to charge you double the price, because you're going to ask 100 questions, and that's going to be an issue. I would rather you do the trading course first and learn. Then this like I'm walking into a university class of a class that I've never attended before, and I'm sitting right in the mid-year, and I wouldn't know what's going on. So great, folks. Well, you guys have an awesome evening. I'm getting ready for my next call with my signals guys and my traders, and any of you that are part of this signals or the tribe, you're welcome to join. Great.